Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2012 Nissan Altima. This is a 3.5 V6 SR model, and we're going to be doing spark plugs and replace the coil pack on cylinder 4, and we're going to hit the intake manifold gasket as well. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it, man. Let's get to it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Normally we would have screws here, I believe T30, and can pull that off. You can see we got coolant. All that white stuff is dried up coolant. It's been leaking all over this thing. Got green coolant up here, specs, look at all of this. Okay, we got the front spark plugs, easy to gain access to. On 10 mil with these, get the coil packs out. Coil packs out, spark plugs, we got 14 mil. Just gonna get the spark plugs out. Them things look like the original ones. Nissan. Dark as I don't know what. Alright, so we got the front out. That's easy. Now we're gonna have to jump on the rear. And this is coil pack 4, cylinder 4. I'm gonna replace that right now. I went ahead and put these coil packs in. Just sat them in the holes so they nothing to fall in the holes. I'm gonna go ahead and start removing all of these connectors and whatnot. And these hoses, show you what we got. Alright, so I took off all of these hoses. Gotta be careful, they brittle, they can break. I took some pliers and helped it come off when I squeeze on it and twist it. All of those off, connectors. And you may find a different way that you may feel comfortable doing it, but this is how I'm doing it. This screw is already out, this bolt, so took that out from there. I'm gonna leave this rail on here. All right, I got these hoses back here undone. Took that hose off. Gonna get this air intake out. Air filter is filthy. All right, we clear. I'm gonna work back here, see what we got. Throttle body, move this connector. May need to remove the throttle body as well, because I don't want to take these coolant lines off. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So it's gonna be a T30, 4 of them. All right, throttle body out the way. Let's see what we got. I think we might be good to go. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and hit these bolts that's holding the manifold down, 10 mil. All right, we got all of those out. 4 long ones and 2 nuts. Go ahead, come up with it. ahead and take this hose off, get it from there. And we out. Go ahead and work on the back 3. Get those coil packs out. We got a lot of oil, man. It's time for some valve cover gaskets. That's the sign right there. Oh yeah. Damn. Yeah, that's bad. That's all the spark plugs out. New ones. We're going back in. Make sure you add anti-seize to your threads before you reinstall. We got all the spark plugs and the coil packs reinstalled. Alright, now we're ready to go ahead and put that new gasket on there. See that part number. Alright, you only go in one way. Gotta line them up with all the notches. Alright, let's reinstall. Alright, we looking good. Hook everything back up, tighten it down. So we're not using the lower intake manifold gasket. We're not going to be replacing that. Just focus on the top. And we in there. And we in there. We'll go ahead and start it up. It's probably gonna be some smoke because of the oil, all that oil back there. We'll see. $164,000 miles. Running a lot better. We got smoke. Almost forgot it.